So the instructions on these landscape lights, we call them the duct tape or electrical tape, these little switches. I don't really know how to do that, but I'm going to try to give it my best shot. Let's see if we can get this on camera. So I got about a foot long piece of electrical tape. Start with one of these. Go around that edge. A couple times, and then I'm going to crisscross to this side. Oh, I guess go around this edge. A couple times. Ended at that. I'm going to assume that both faces are waterproof. Don't know, but that's what I'm going to assume. I'm going to get another strip and maybe go this way. Just a couple times. Cross to the other side. Try to get underneath this a couple times. I mean, it's clearly not waterproof. I don't know how you could possibly make it waterproof, but I'm going to try. I'm just going to go full diagonal. Maybe cross here. Full diagonal here. Let's keep on going. Do the opposite. All right. I don't think it's gonna be perfect, but I think it's definitely gonna be better than nothing. So that's my landscape lighting electrical tape job.